Hello everyone, my name is Sun Qiyuan. Today I will talk about smart contracts. Smart contracts are very popular nowadays, but what are they and what problem do they solve? The term smart contracts was first used by Nick Szabo in 2027, long before Bitcoin was created. He is a computer science law scholar and cryptographer, so I will spare you his exact word, but in simple terms, he wants to use a distribute ledger to store contract. Now, smart contracts are just like contract in the real world. The only difference is that they are completely digital. In fact, a smart contract is actually a tiny computer program that is stored inside a blockchain. Let's take a look at an example to understand how smart contracts work. You probably are familiar with Kickstarter, the large fundraising platform. Producing can go to Kickstarter, create a project, set a funding goal, and start collecting money from others who believe in the idea. Kickstarter is essentially a third party. Let's sit between producing and the supporter. This means that both of them need to trust Kickstarter to handle their money correctly. If the project gets successful funded, the project team expand Kickstarter to give them to the money. On the other hand, support want their money to go to the project if it was funded, or to get a refund when it hasn't reached its goals. Both the producing and its support have to trust Kickstarter, but with smart contracts, we can build a similar system that doesn't require a third party like Kickstarter. So let's create smart contracts for this. We can program the smart contracts so that it holder all the receive fund until a sentence goal is reached. The support of a project can now transfer the money to the smart contract. If the project get fully funded, the contract automatically pass the money to the creator of the project. And if the project fail to meet the goal, the money automatically goes back to the supporter. Pretty awesome good. And because smarter contracts are stored on blockchain, everything is completely distributed. With this technique, no one is in control of the money. But wait a minute. Why should we trust a smart contract? Well, because smart contracts are stored on a blockchain, they inherit some interesting property. They are immutable and they are distributed. Being immutable means that once a smart contract is created, it can never be changed again. So no one can go behind your back and tamper with the code of your contract. And begin distribute mean let the output of your contract is validated by everyone on the network. So a single person can't force the contract to release the fund because other people on the network will spot this and mark it as invalid. Tampering with smart contract becomes almost impossible. Smart contract can be applied to many different things, not just on crowdfunding. Bank could use to issue loan or to offer automatic payment. Insurance company could use it to process sentence claim. Postal company could use it for payment on delivery, and so on and so on. So now you might wonder where and how you can use smart contracts. Right now, there are handful of blockchain who support smart contracts, but the biggest ones is Ethereum. It's what specifically created and designed to support smart contracts. They can be programmed in special program language can code solidly SOL. This language was specifically created for Ethereum and use a syntax that resemble JavaScript. It was nothing that Bitcoin also has support for smart contracts, although it's a lot more limited compared to Ethereum. So now you know what smart contract are and what program they solve. This is the end of my speech. Thank you for listening.